friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about general knowledge for all your paramedical exams. This video focuses mainly on how to study general knowledge for your masters in public health exams. Let's get into the video. So, as any undergraduate, for preparing for Masters in Public Health exams, what is the keen pathway about general knowledge you need to know? So, there are two things in this. There are some topics you must know, and there are some topics it's very good if you know. You can definitely score more marks in your GK subject. Coming to the must know topics, the recent public health updates. This is a must for any exam you write. Government initiatives like your national health programs, what are the upcomings in national health programs, anything related to that. COVID-19 pandemic. You need to focus on more about what has happened, no, what is going to happen, like what are the vaccines, what are the drugs. COVID-19 pandemic in public health point of view, what are the drugs, how many healthy volunteers have been taken the vaccine, how many trials have happened, what are the studies that are going on related to COVID-19, etc. Nobel Prizes and awards. There is definitely one question in any general knowledge exam related to Nobel Prizes and awards. Culture and heritage. They always ask what is the beauty of, like, say for example, Marina Beach. It is Asia's largest beach that is situated in Chennai. So they ask something that is known to all and it is very common among all undergraduates, which students know very well. Coming to international health and relations, they ask who is the head of WHO, or where is the headquarters of WHO situated. The answer is Geneva, Switzerland, like that. Now coming to what is the topics that you it is very good to know is gender equality, sports, skill development, important days, history, the Indian economy and business. So, what are the best books you can refer for general knowledge for MPH? There is one book called Manorama that's been releasing from many long years. I referred that book for my general knowledge and I still refer that same book for any general knowledge exams. So, there is Fundamentals of General Knowledge by Disha, then there is Manorama. There is General Knowledge by Arihant. And Lucid's General Knowledge is they give information but they have more of MCQ type questions which are really needed for your exam. So what are the colleges that have general knowledge as a part of MPH admission? The main college that has is TIS Mumbai. It has 40 marks that is there for general knowledge. Next, coming to IIPH, IIPH Hyderabad has 20 marks and Delhi has 10 to 12 marks, and Gandhinagar they actually have because of this pandemic they had an MCQ and an interview session, but when for the MCQ they had given 10 to 12 questions about general knowledge, but when they have it offline in Gandhinagar campus they have essay writing, they have group discussion and interview. In your group discussion and your essay writing they ask any topic that is more focused about public health, which is even about general knowledge. So for Gandhinagar in that way you should know general knowledge. Sri Chitra Medical Sciences. This college also has around 5 to 6 questions that come from general knowledge. And UOH Hyderabad, that is University of Hyderabad, also asks 2 or 3 questions related to general knowledge. Coming to other universities, they ask more general knowledge in the relation of public health, like who has come in the who is the headquarters, where is the headquarters of WHO situated in, who is the father of public health, and what is the latest public health updates, what is the composition of Covishield, what are the drugs that have come into the market, like which is approved by DCGI, who is the founder of DCGI, who has been the father of public medicine, and anything and everything related to health general knowledge. These all colleges focus. JIPMER asks 2 or 3 questions related to COVID-19 in your 2021 paper. NIMHANS had 2 or 3 questions. AIMS had 2 or 3 questions. JNU had 2 or 3 questions. Central University of Kerala has 5 or 6 questions. So everywhere general knowledge is being asked. So you need to really focus on general knowledge for any public health exam. So, what are the best sites to refer for your current affairs? That is your general knowledge. For example, you need to see every day the current affairs of that day and note it down. Only the important ones which you feel is needed for your exam. So, Vision IAS provides everyday current affairs, and after 30 days, it provides the monthly current affairs. And Drishti IAS, they divide it into 2 parts. They have current affair and important editorials. Then Clear as exam.com, they also have important current affairs. GK Today, it is like the best for any exam, like for any SSC, for UPSC, the best. They provide the best material that is needed. And Byju's mostly concentrates on time and management exams like MBA, how they ask general knowledge questions in MBA, management, government exams, clerk exams, bank exams, etc. Mrinal.org is also a very amazing site, but the best of this list is gk.in, Vision IAS, and Drishti IAS, and even GK Today. GK Today in this list is one of the best. Coming to, if you cannot see the current affairs in the going to the site and you don't have that much time in your busy schedule, there are some very amazing newspapers that give you daily current affairs. There are some monthly magazines that release for current affairs, and as usual internet and all India radio. If you have any Android phone, if you open Google, they show the news of each and every day. And all India radio, you can just hear the all India radio that is there in your house if your grandparents are listening, or even a small radio will be there in your house which your parents will be listening, so that you can just listen whenever you're eating or whenever you're doing any other job. But the best newspapers are the Hindu, the Times of India, Dainik Jargon, Business Standard. Out of this list, these four are the best. Coming to best monthly current affairs, the four best of this is Niti Aayog reports, Economic and Political Daily, Civil Service Times, and Yojana. These four are the best and you must do it for your exam. Coming to what are the best sites for public health updates. These four sites are the best, and for giving any MPH exam, these four sites you must refer. WHO, World Health Organization, it is the best for any health information you need. CDC, they focus more on disease control and prevention. Then Wikipedia, it is the best for any public health updates. In my upcoming slides, I'll show you what are the notifications and what are the breakages they have in their site. And the last but not the least, Ministry of Health and Welfare. So this is your site on Wikipedia. So in their home page, it will show you select your language. So you should select whichever language you want to read that page in. If you select English, immediately this page will open. And you can see there are many subheadings like agriculture, health, education, social welfare, energy, schemes, and aspirational departments. Coming to, in this health, you can see it is divided into aging, Ayush, child health, facts for life, first aid. So whichever public health update you want to know, Wikipedia is one of the best sites and they get updated every single day. Coming to WHO, WHO has health topics, countries, newsroom, emergencies, data, and abroad WHO. They have all necessary information about COVID-19 pandemic happening in Asia continent, in India, and in all other countries too. This is CDC. This is also one of amazing sites for viewing public health updates. They have all the decisions and conditions, a healthy living, a traveler's health, and WHO and CDC have some online courses for which they provide some certificates that are like really very good. The course details, the course topics, and the teaching of the lectures and the videos they have are really good. You need to try to do any course in WHO or CDC. They are really amazing. This is the site of Ministry of Health and Welfare. You can see what are the active cases of COVID-19, the discharge cases, the deaths, and all the latest information of COVID-19 in India. And they have a main content page and MOHW main website where they even give jobs for public health updates. There are some vacancies that are shown on the site. You can open and even look into them. This is the main content page of MHOFW. This page will open when in the before slide I had shown you one link. On the top of the page you see MOHW main site. So when you click on that, this page open. This page contains everything about your major programs, your digital services, and what is the tenders that are released about national health programs, what is the parliament question and answers, and you have every option that is available, and about vaccination and free campaigns for vaccine, everything launched by Modi, everything is available on the site. So what is the strategy you need to use to prepare for general knowledge for MPH exam? First and foremost, you need to prepare a timetable which has three subheadings. One is your core public health syllabus, that is, you need to be studying your PAC and Vivek Jain for your public health exams, like for exams like JIPMER, NIMHANS and all. Coming to GK, you need to be preparing a timetable for GK and you need to stay very focused. Daily need read newspapers, try to buy monthly magazines, or even you can go to Google, search for monthly magazines and you can read them. And current affairs of last 6 months are very important. For example, you are not able to do current affairs of the last 6 months, at least do all the health affairs of the last 6 months. They are very important as you are going to become a public health expert or a public health professional in future. And most basic thing you need to do is that you can should solve as many as questions of GK as possible. For example, you are reading Lucent book or you are reading Manorama today, one topic. The same day night, try to solve as many questions as possible. If you do all of this above, definitely success will be your goal. So, some of the tips are you need to start with government initiatives, culture, history, COVID-19 pandemic. These are all happening latest. So, first go to Manorama book or Aryan's book and read as much as times as possible. If you read one time, you are not going to remember. Read as many as times as possible. Whenever you go out, just carry that small book, start reading. Just read for 10 times or at least 5 times. Then start solving questions. You will definitely see a difference in the way of you solving questions. You can definitely solve a lot more questions than you solve normally. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts or any questions that are related to how to do general knowledge for MPH exam, please comment in the comment section below. If you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Have a great day.